If you've been hearing this kind of noise in your videos, it's probably because you're leaving the wind foam on your lapel mics indoors. Now, these wind foams are great when you're actually outdoors, but if you're indoors, there's really no need to have it on for a lapel microphone like this. Especially if you're clipping it to your shirt and it's going to be up here, it will fall a little bit into your shirt if you're not using something to hold it still, and you don't want to hear that rubbing noise in your audio, or it could kind of mess it up, and you might need to re-record if it's really bad. So if you talk with your hands or you're doing any kind of movements constantly in your videos, even for sit-down videos, if you want to save your audio, you should probably take these off. I actually did a short sharing my secret sauce, and I'll put that in the pinned comment.